How you can save your iPhone data, i.e. documents, images, and much more, you will find out in today's video. So stay tuned. Each of us knows that at some point the memory of the smartphone will be full and you don't know where to go with the files. You can either delete it on the PC or with a cloud storage. But there is a better solution, namely this data transfer stick or this dual stick. It is nothing more than a USB stick that has two sides. One's USB-C on one side so that you can plug it into your smartphone, and on the other side you have a USB-A connection. This means that you can either leave the data on the stick as a hard drive or you can conveniently transfer it to the PC with the USB-A. Unfortunately, you can no longer save everything as before with the Lightning, because you could choose a lot more, such as complete backup, not just individual files, and much more. That was still possible with the Lightning connection. With the USB-C connection you can only copy and save the files, but at least something. So you don't need a cloud, no cost effectiveness, and you always have all the files with you. There are countless sticks like Sandermeyer. I got a cheap one from Amazon because it is small and handy, and 128 gigabytes is more than enough for me. We start by opening the File app. We have to go in here, and next we will plug in our stick here and it should be recognized automatically. We plug it in and the name appears automatically here. I renamed the stick beforehand. I'll show you how to do that. Just stay on it for a long time and then you can click on Rename and choose a name. It shouldn't be too long, otherwise it won't work. So, we have now renamed the stick so that we know where we can copy the files. If I click on it now, you can see that there is nothing in it yet. I don't have anything in here, and we can create a folder here later so that we have sorted the whole thing. But we now go to our pictures that we want to copy. So we open the Photo app and here we choose the pictures that we want to copy. We do this by clicking on Select. We click on it and now you are looking for the pictures that you have just saved or want to copy on this stick. Just click on it and then this blue box appears here. Now we have selected the pictures. Now I want to have them copied. For this, click on these three dots or these three lines and click on Copy. Now this is in the intermediate folder. I go back to my File app.